Hi guys, welcome back again. So right now we're gonna do the day 23 lab all the 100 days of cloud AWS series. So recently I finished for the 100 days of cloud Azure. Now we're gonna do for the AWS. So the lab title is data migration between S3 buckets using AWS CLI. Alright, let's go. So I will try to draw a diagram. You can think of like that. This is S3 bucket. So we're gonna have another S3 bucket. Sorry. So here like this. So we're gonna do the data transfer. Copy data, or we will do the since data. So this is S3 bucket. Sorry. S3 bucket. bucket. So this is also S3 bucket. Oh, do we have to wait 5 minutes for this AWS lab? Come on. So I think first of all we need to check the AWS S3 bucket list. That's the first requirement. So if we don't have the new bucket, we have to create the new bucket. And the second requirement is gonna be like we have to sense data to the from sense data from one to another. Alright, let me read the given instruction. As part of a data migration project, the team lead has tasked the team and with migrating data from an existing S3 bucket. So this is, we can consider this is existing bucket. So this is new bucket, right? So here the existing bucket contains a substantial amount of data that must be accurately transferred to the new bucket. So the team is responsible for creating new S3 buckets and ensuring that all data from the existing bucket is copied or synced. So we can do two things, two options. Here we copy or we can sync the data to the new bucket completely and accurately. So it is imperative, that is important, to perform thorough verification step to confirm that all data has been successfully transferred to the new bucket without any loss or correction. So as a member of the Natalia Staples team, your task is to perform the following. And we're gonna have to create a new private S3 bucket. The name is here DevOps-SYNC-15089. So and after that we're gonna do the data migration and migrate the entire data, the whole data from the existing bucket to the new bucket, right? So and then ensure data consistency, ensure that both bucket has the same data. So we don't need to remove or we don't need to delete the whole existing data from the original bucket. So but for this lab we had to use AWS CLI. Alright, so first of all let me check the AWS S3 bucket list. So now we have this S3 bucket. This is existing bucket name right here, the same DevOps dash S3 dash 20948. So we're gonna have to create a new bucket right now. So before we create that, I will copy all of these things. So remember this, for this mini lab, we have to create the resource only in the US East -1 region. So alright, so let me create. So how to create new AWS S3 bucket from AWS CLI. So you can go to the AWS official documentation here. So maybe where is that? I don't find it. Create bucket. So this S3 API. This is S3 API. Anyway, let me get from here. So we will create this command. We use this command. So when we check it out, this command, we need to replace with the actual bucket name. So bucket name is here. I will copy this new one and I will replace it right here. And the region is not west, is east -1. And right, so now I will run this to create a new bucket. So now we will check it again, the S3 bucket list. So wait, is something wrong? Yeah, oh, I typed S3 SE, so it's gonna be S3. So now you will see that we have two buckets. Alright, so now we were trying to do that data migration from the existing bucket to the new bucket that we created right now. So alright, so how do we copy that, or how do we sense that? So before we sense that, let me check the inner content of the current new bucket. So AWS S3 ls S3. So this is new bucket name here. Let me check inner content using recursive flash. CUSIV. So we don't have any content within this new S3 bucket. So now we copy from the existing bucket to the new bucket, right? So let me do AWS S3 since. You can copy like this, COP1 copy. You can write like that, but I will use since from the existing bucket name. So existing bucket name is this one. We need to write a correct name, and we give to the destination bucket name. So destination bucket name is the new one. I will copy this and I will type enter. Now it will start to copy the whole datum from the S3 bucket, existing bucket. So where is that? I think in my every single video background noise a bit annoying. So after we send that data, entire data from the existing bucket to the new bucket, so let me check the inner list of the new bucket. Alright, so now after we copy, we will run this command again to see the inner data of the new bucket. So now you will see that this is the new bucket inner data here. Okay, so now we successfully did it for this lab. So let me check it out and click confirm. Yeah, so we successfully did it, right? So if I can do it, you can also do it. That's it. So thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next coming video. See you soon.